Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to send a folder by email, full tutorial. So let's get started. Go to your My Computer and select the folder which you want to send through Gmail. So for example, I want to send this folder captures. So right click on it. Okay. Then as you can see here in this list, compress to zip folder, compress to zip file, and it will create a zip file. I will rename as a zip. Okay, then go to your gmail account. Okay, open a Gmail, tap on this compose button. Now you have to put the file which you have saved as a zip folder. Click on this option as you can see here, attach file, then click on it. Now go to the folder and select the folder as I saved here. Okay, this is the folder. Now select this and I will say folder. Put the recipient here and click on send. So guys, this was an easy tutorial to how to send your any folder through zip trick. So I hope you like it and thanks for watching. I see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification button for watching videos in future. See you in next video. Take care.